Junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my beautiful friends. It's time for Haribo, and I've got this awesome glowing advent calendar. So don't hesitate. Let's check out the glowing effect. Alrighty, so I charged it up directly under the studio lights, and let's turn off the light here. Alrighty. Yeah, I definitely can see it in real life. I think it's not that strong on the recorder. Oh no. Oh, here we go. Can you see the gold burr? Maybe I could also change the camera setting. Anyways, my beautiful friends. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, so the effect is not really strong, but in real life you definitely can see something. Here, like the house, in the middle is the Christmas tree. The moon. Here's a gold burr. A lot of stars all around. Okay, anyways, let's check out the product. Alrighty, so let's have a look at the team under real light. So we got the Christmas market, and we got a lot of different stands. So there are presents, there's the Haribo shop, there are sweet waffles. Speaking of waffles, I decided to make this here also in this review, the Yes gingerbread style. So skip to the end of the video if you want to see this. And here we got a balloon shaped like a gummy bear already. And gummy bear guy is selling, I think, spiced wine or something. And he's selling candles already. And there are even some animals here. So Bambi is here. Very good. And yeah, so we got like a giant wheel. And the city tower. And so on and so forth. And here we go. Santa Claus riding with the reindeers. So now it's a big moment. We open it up. Well, first up, before we do this, I show you the back side. And here's what we can get. They're spoiling it, whatever it is. And yeah, so as I understand it, the whole calendar is a little story. So let's check it out. Check it out, my beautiful friends. And I will open some doors and then I will completely disassemble it. So here's a 1. Is this door number 1? Aha. Here we go. Okay, so this is cool. So we got a small bag of Christmas themed Haribos, mini ones. Let's see. So we got a gummy gingerbread and this little star and a little bell, a candle already. Was this snowman? Okay, and I eat it. Aha, here trumpet. No. Here's like the story. I guess in the end it's a complete story. Anyways, open some more doors. It's hard to identify, but I have to say the doors themselves open very smoothly. This is a nice product. So how do I get this out? So this is chewing candy by Haribo. I must have showed it, but normally I don't do reviews on this one. And here we go. Here we go, my beautiful friends. juicy gold burst. Very young. Stripes. I think I haven't seen this product before. Okay. So 1 to up 24. Then I just assemble. Then before we got this roulette. So now I get the tray out. Only on my channel. So here we got the tray. What else is in here? Cola. Say, don't like the Mauarm too much. Feels kind of itchy. This is bubblegum. No, also no. Pinball. Pacifier. Merry Christmas. So this I will cut. So we have the cut. Here we go. Here we go. This is a nice product. Nice advent calendar. Not too extreme or not. Yeah, they are very extreme ones. I can show you one in a second. And not too simple. Like right, perfect. So this is like, this seems to be with a filling. Okay, this is actually kind of cool. So now I show you an example of a very cheap one. Oh my god. So I just said it tastes cool. And then the off taste kicks in. Okay, anyways. Now I show you like the cheap ones. So this is what I would get for Christmas every year. So these are like little chocolates. Yeah. Nowadays they got like fancy branding with Hot Wheels or Super Mario or Barbie. Now I show you one completely over the top. Alright. So here we go, my beautiful friends. Complete over the top product. So this is a gigantic Pringles advent calendar. Yeah. Which costs 30 euros. Over 10 times more than the cheap one. I don't have the price for Haribo one here. And there are like also even bigger ones than this one. But yeah. It's expensive, would be expensive review. Anyways, I will eat this here now, also cut, and then I will show you the inside. Here's all the doors from behind. This looks funny. The light of the flashlight. Okay. There you go. So this is a 3-pack. It says gingerbread style. This is a Nestlé product. Little cake basically. Let's see if I get Christmas vibes. Here we go. So it's like a chocolate coating, then cake. Show a little bit more detail. Cake, cream filling cake. Okay. Okay, let's have it. I've seen a video, one of my colleagues, Junk Food Guru. He was even in a factory. He was in the factory and checking out the production process of these little cakes. Okay. So, chocolate is strong. Yeah. They're definitely gingerbread vibes. This is an awesome product. Yeah, but yeah, he's strong and adult. Not quite sure what this here on top is. Yeah. Got a little bit going on. So, I have to say, it's sort of a strange experience to have like a super creamy and smooth gingerbread. And yeah, it's got this very sort of aggressive finish. I just said it's great, and then I have rating products is a pain, my friends. Okay. Now I get this out of the picture. And we check out what's inside. So, yeah, all of these advent calendars are constructed similar. So you got a plastic tray and inside, and sort of a cardboard outside. Yeah. So sometimes there's even like a hidden stuff at the backside. So now we got all the doors with the story. I'm sorry, I can't read it completely because the doors are so fancy. Okay. So it would be better to open up the right way. Okay, but I don't want to spoil it. What do you want me to read? I could read you the whole story. This would be a strange video. Okay. Here's like the mayor of the city. What is this? A door? Okay. Okay, my beautiful friends. This was this episode, Monday episode. I hope you liked it. And see you on Wednesday. Yeah. And after I just said this, I realize I have to write it down. Yeah. Here you go. Monday. I read the calendar win. Although I don't like the Mao arm inside, the calendar is awesome. Yeah. The doors are nice engineering. Nice cardboard engineering. Very smooth, nice opening. And also good size, good teams, very good Haribo merchandise product. I don't know how good it looks at the recording, but in real life, you can see the glowing effect. Yeah. So, I rate this definitely the win. Haribo Advent Calendar. And for the gingerbread here, yes, gingerbread I'd rate raw. I don't like the finish somehow. Yeah, Nutri-Score. Straight E. Please focus, camera here. A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, I think this is a problem with cakes that store with room temperature. They all have similar products. Also, like the American stuff is even worse. So, right, yes. gingerbread style. Okay. The best is like Ferrero does a very good job in like sort of mini cakes, but they're all refrigerated. But now we finished. I say goodbye to you a second time. See you on Wednesday.